Apparently this is the song of the year. Like, really? Really? This is how you start a party with Sister Bettina. This is the song of the year. The year. Hey guys, it's Phutistyles. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on all the epic hairstyles I've ever done in 2017. I hope that you guys are excited. So like literally I was doing a hairstyle every single month. You go crazy. So stay tuned and yeah. But wait, please don't forget to subscribe. We are very close to 100 subscribers, so tell your mom, your grandmother, your father, whoever to subscribe to Phutistyles. I post hair videos, DIY videos, and because it's gonna be 2018, stay tuned for a lot of epic videos. By the way, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video and give this video a thumbs up, and please comment down below which hairstyle you liked and which one you didn't. Like, be on the real, be like, yo girl, never ever do this hairstyle ever again. Or you can be like, girl, you look so pretty, like you should do it again. Anyway, so let's get right into it. The pink faux locs, and this was done with wool. I didn't use any like Kenkalon here or Brazilian wool. I don't even think you can find Brazilian wool in this hair texture. So it was just literally pink dreads. My cousin did this for me and I love this hairstyle so much. Like, this is my favorite hairstyle, and that's what got me into like liking pink hair. And then my February hairstyle, I did like pink, like really sweet pink and purple. I used Expression over here and I really love this hairstyle. This was my birthday month, by the way, you guys. My birthday is on the 1st of February, so don't forget Phutistyles' birthday, 1st Feb. Yeah, so yeah, I did pink purple braids and I did this by myself. I really love this hairstyle. Well, I love all my hairstyles. Yes, and I'm even on Drum Magazine, you guys, because of this hairstyle. So your girl is doing the things, you know what I'm saying? Yes, look at these baby hairs. Oh my word. Trust. March was a crazy, like, you know, I was in the mermaids. Like, I used to call myself Mermaid Phuti on Instagram. People still call me Mermaid Phuti. Anyway, so it was black, pink, blue, ombre. I really loved it so much. Well, I think I love all my hairstyles, so yeah. But that's when I started getting into like ombre looks with this hairstyle. Yeah, I think that's how I got into the ombre vibe, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and it was like pink and blue, one of my most favorite colors in the world, and purple as well. I don't know about April though. I still doubt like why I did April. I love it, but it was really like punk and short. It was really colorful. There was a lot of colors going on. Like, I mixed a lot of like all the hair pieces I've ever used, because I don't throw them away. Like, I never throw my hair pieces away, so I used it again, like all together, and made one hairstyle. And yeah, the most amazing May hairstyle. I loved May. May was like bubblegum mixed with cotton candy, had a baby. It was purple and light pink. It's the same hair color I used here. Yeah, but then with purple as well. I really like this hairstyle. I've done a lot of shoots in this hairstyle. I did like a music video for my boys, Tony X, The Exclusive, We Up. You guys, you must check out on my playlist featured videos. Yes, you guys can see the video We Up music video by Punchline Media. Anyways, back to the hair. Love this hair. It took really, like, it looked really good on photos like all the time, so I think I might just do it again. We are on to June. June, I did wool. It's like a wool twist. Yeah, I twisted the hair. It was pretty short. I always like kept it up because I kind of didn't like this hairstyle. I'm gonna be very honest. I like the color but not the hairstyle, but it worked because I'm Phutistyles, so yes. so beautiful. I think Nadia Nikai did this color at some point in her life. So this was like a black and pink ombre. I did this one for July and I loved it so much. I did like a danger shoot gevaar. Yeah, yellow moet pas op. So I love this hairstyle. It was really cool. And you know, I shaved on the sides. You guys can see that. I love KFC drinks, you guys. They cold beverages are really nice. Anyways, back to the hair. So I untangled, like I undone the hair. I left it like that for a while because I got bored of the hairstyle and then I did that. Are you on August already? Anyways, so I love this hairstyle. It was mixed with a lot of pinks. I also miss like my old hair pieces. Like I said, I don't throw them away. I reuse my hair pieces. Your girl is cheap like that, you know. So I kept it curly. I really liked it curly. So I just like played on the beginning and left it at the end. I think it's called like yaki braid. I don't know, but yeah, I like that hairstyle. When I started YouTube, you guys, in September, my most favorite, the ombre with Ombré Lavender color. You guys remember that video? So that's how I got into YouTube. When I did that review with this hairstyle, I loved it. Plus it's in lavender. It's like a nice purple, like you know when spring comes and then you do this hairstyle, then you're a babe, then you were a boss, and you just look like the flowers blooming. I'm gonna cry, but yeah, amazing. The first time I started using Tattoo Kink hair, by the way, I love Tattoo Kink hair. You guys can use my coupon code Mermaid Kink. Don't forget to use it, guys. You just get onto the website and use the code and you get a discount. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing. You know, so it was like a black and purple, and it was becoming like a lighter purple ombre going on. So I really like that. And as you can see, I did like a lightning. November I did a video on this, you guys remember? Remember I did this video where I showed you guys how to do your crochet curly hair, and this was from Tattoo Kink hair as well. I curled the hair out and it was like a black blue ombre. It's similar to the one I did, I think it's in March when I did the, now I can't remember. I have so many hairstyles, guys, like I can't keep up with myself. So this is like a curly pink hair bob going on. It's like I don't know, pink clouds going on, candy flowers, and yeah. So basically it's the same method I used. I crocheted the hair and I used darling hair. So I didn't do a video on how I got this hair done because I did my hair at night, so the lighting was really bad, so I couldn't shoot that. But basically it's like the same thing I did, but like with smaller curls. I'm taking it out today, so because I mean it's new year, new hairstyle. So there you guys have it, 12 hairstyles of 2017. Let me know which one was your favorite and which one wasn't. I will be doing more epic videos for 2018. I am super excited. Thank you for watching this video. Till next time, keep on subscribing to my channel, share my videos. Bye.